Now let us do a numerical in order to understand how the number, mass and the volumes are interrelated to each other. Question is, find the volume occupied by seven grams of nitrogen at STP. What is given to us is nitrogen in terms of mass. What we have to find out is its volume at STP. So what is the interrelated term is the mole. Now let us find out the moles of nitrogen given will be mass of nitrogen divided by its molar mass. Now it will be 7 upon 28 because one nitrogen is 14 and 2 will make it 28. So it will be 1 by 4, so it's 0.25 moles. Now therefore, volume of nitrogen at STP will be moles given into 22.4 liters. It will be 0.25 into 22.4 liters. It will be 5.6 liters. So this is how, first what we have done is, from the mass we have converted it into the number of moles, and to find out the volume we have simply multiplied the moles by the volume. What we have got is the answer. So this is how these three things are interrelated.